how to add highlights on Instagram without posting a story. In this video, I'm going to show you how to privately add highlights on Instagram. And if this video helped you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So unfortunately, you can only create highlights from stories, but that does not mean that we have to leave the story up for 24 hours. So what I'm going to show you is how to post a story and then quickly archive that story so that it's not seen by anyone and you could still add as a highlight. So to do this, open the Instagram app, then create your story. And then when I'm ready to post it, I can either send it to my story or I can limit who can see the story by doing close friends. It doesn't really matter. It won't change our ability to add it as a highlight later. So choose how you want to share it. I'm going to just do your story. It'll go ahead and post the story, then open the story up. And if it's taking a while to upload, just wait for it. Once it's posted, select the three dots in the top right and then select archive. As you can see, it's going to quickly delete that story. But now if I go to my profile on Instagram, I can either select new for a new highlight, or I can open up my story archive by selecting the three dots in the top right and then opening archive. And then there's the story right there. So I can open that up and then I can select highlight and I can add it to the test highlight right there. So now if I go back to my profile and open up my highlight, you can see that the story that I just posted is now in my highlight, but it's no longer on my profile. So that's how you privately post a highlight on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.